Okay, now moving on to the next question with reference to 5-year plans, consider the following information, right? So the first 5-year plan is based on the Harrod Domar model, focus on agriculture and price stability. The outcome, it was successful due to good harvest, right? So Harrod Domar model is a simple Western model which says that better savings will lead to better investment. Okay, that is simply the Harrod Domar model. So Harrod Domar model tries to increase the savings in a particular economy, and in India's case this is actually correct, because initially in the first 5-year plan, India actually tried to improve the welfare of the farmers by developing its agriculture sector. Because if the agriculture sector improved, the government expected that this savings will be channeled into the financial system. Okay, and it was actually correct. It actually met the GDP growth target. Okay, so the first 5-year plan is successful. The third 5-year plan, called the Gadgil plan, aimed at self-sufficiency in food grains and rapid industrialization. Right. So this is actually correct. It did aim for self-sufficiency and rapid industrialization. Okay, and the Gadgil plan is actually the formula by which funds are actually delivered from center to states. Okay, so Gadgil plan is effectively a formula for deciding how much amount should be given to states. Okay, it is based on that formula that the current Finance Commission also uses to give the statutory grants, right? So you have criteria, for example, population is there, income distance is there, area is there, right? And all these conditions are also there. So that is the Gadgil plan, and it aimed at self-sufficiency. The third 5-year plan also aimed at self-sufficiency, rapid industrialization. These are all correct, right? So here it says that achieved target despite wars and drought. Okay, so even if you don't have any, if you don't remember it exactly, this statement is actually quite, you should draw your attention, because it says that it achieved target despite wars and drought. Alright, so if you use your common logic, wars and drought and achieving targets, if there is any immediate war, if there is any drought or famine, anything like that, there is a very high chance that the targets will not be met, right? Growth will be less. So this is actually wrong. Actually, the third 5-year plan actually failed in achieving its GDP target, right? So this is wrong. The third statement, the fifth 5-year plan launched by DP Dhar, correct? Focused on Garibi Hatao, Indira Gandhi's slogan, and self-reliance. This is actually correct. Okay, there was inflationary pressures but moderate success, right? Moderate success. This is actually correct, right? This is actually correct. So how many of the rows are correctly matched? Only 2, right? Only 2 is rightly matched. Okay.